In crochet, there are different loops on a stitch. There is a loop back here called the back loop, a loop in the front called the front loop, and then there are both loops of a stitch. You can see this right here. They kind of look like a loop that is pulled through each of them, making kind of a chain or a braid look. And when you work crochet and they do not specify in the instructions where you're supposed to be putting your hook, it is assumed that you will work under both loops of each stitch. You just insert your hook under both of those loops and work the stitch called for. And that's how you work in both loops of a stitch.